What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can run C or C++ code right within your Visual Studio Code. So let's see how we can do this. To achieve this, you first need to download the MySys2. So head over to your favorite web browser and go to this msys2.org. So this is where you can download the MSys. So scroll down till you see this installation section and click on this download button. So this is going to download an exe file. I already have this installed, so I'm just going to close this. Just open up the exe file and follow the usual setup guide. Click on next. Make sure you note down this file location because this is where we are going to install our MSys. So I'm just going to install it in C drive MSys64 folder. So make sure you note this down. Click next, and it's going to install MSys on my PC. After the installation is done, make sure you check this option and click on finish. Now you should see something like this. If you don't see it, close this and search for MSys and this MSys2 UCRT64. Click on it. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And we need to go back to browser. Scroll down until you see this command right here. You can see this command. You can either copy it from here or copy it from the video description. So just copy it and go back to this terminal and paste the command right in. If you are not able to paste it, right click and just simply select paste. Then hit enter Y, and this should now install the MinGW on our computer. So let's wait. After the installation is done, close this window, open File Explorer and go to the location where we installed MSys. So mine was in C drive, MSys64. Now open this UCRT64 folder, open bin and copy this path. Now search for environ and choose this edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables, click on path, double click here and paste the path that we just copied. Click OK, click OK, click OK. Now go to VS Code and here we need to install few extensions. So go to the extensions tab and search for C++. Now the first one we need to install is this code runner. It's from Yoon Han. So make sure you install this extension. The second one is this C/C++. So make sure you install this one as well. This one is from Microsoft. After you have installed both extensions, now go to the File Explorer. So I have this simple test.cpp file and you can see now I get this run option up here. And if I click on this and click on run code, you can see now we get the output subscribed to code pair because that's what I was printing out in my C++ code. So yeah, this works. So yeah, this is it. This is how you set up Visual Studio Code to run C or C++ code. So I hope this video was helpful. If yes, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support this channel, I have a Patreon link down in the description box. So feel free to support to the code pair. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.